Shape negative ion high voltage pack coil winding machine. Precisely wound, releasing the purity of energy source. Are you still troubled by the low yield rate, poor consistency, and high labor costs of negative ion high voltage pack coil? The Shape special purpose winding machine for negative ion high voltage packs reshapes the core power of negative ions through precision manufacturing. Designed for efficient, stable, and high energy negative ions. Every coil turn becomes the perfect carrier of negative ion energy. Precision tension control eliminates wire breakage and overlapping, ensuring each layer of coils is tightly and evenly wound. Intelligent wire arrangement system with ultra-high positioning accuracy. The coils are as flat as a mirror, completely eliminating common manual winding issues like gate collapse, bulges, and reducing the risk of breakdown. Wide application fields, air purifiers, negative ion generators, health physiotherapy devices, negative ion hair dryers, vehicle-mounted purification equipment, fresh air systems, and more negative ion application. Arias. Choosing professionalism means choosing competitiveness. Let our winding precision become the super heart of your negative ion products. Shape joins hands with you to collaborate and bring benefits to all.